Hi everybody, John Cleese with Lake Effect Garden and Design, and we wanted to point out to you one of the invasives that can move into a garden early in its development, and actually later as well, but when there's a lot of open space, Purple Loosestrife can move in. We're back at one of our clients' house where it's year 2, and this is what Purple Loosestrife looks like. It will eventually get this beautiful purple flower. You've probably seen it by the side of the road. It's a long cone. The problem is it is a lovely flower, it is invasive, and it really will take over quite a bit. It'll become quite a thick patch. But if you can see, I'm not sure if you can notice here on the mulch, we've had some rain, but this is a wet spot of the garden. And any place that you have some wetness, whether it's sun or part sun as this is, Purple Loosestrife will definitely find its way in. So you can rip this out if you want to. I'm also a big fan of clipping stuff early on, because sometimes if you just go ahead and clip it, eventually these things will grow in the other plants and there won't be the environment for this Purple Loosestrife to come up. You are free to pull it out, but of course we've said before, the problem with pulling out weeds is you disturb all the soil around it, plus you disturb the plants that you want to keep. And when you disturb that soil that's around the plant you're pulling, you also pull up even more weed seeds that come to the surface and will start to germinate, because then it becomes sort of an endless thing. You could definitely treat this chemically. If it's not rampant in your garden, just go ahead and cut it occasionally, and it eventually, I find that it will die out. That's it. That's our invasive weed tip for you here at Lake Effect Garden Design. I hope you'll like our videos and visit our website. I'm John Cleese, and keep on planting.